Good morning, everyone. My name is Vishakha Sambhaji Bagal, roll number 375 from TY Division. Today, we are going to discuss the topic leadership. Leadership in this PPT, we see understanding the leadership definition, importance, characteristics, and its style. First, we see what is leadership. Leadership is the ability to influence and motivate and guide others. Leadership helps to achieve the individual and organizational goals, and it creates the vision, direction, and inspiration among the members. Leadership, in simple word, leadership means guiding, motivating, and influencing people to work together towards a common goal. A leader shows a leader shows the direction and support the team and makes the decision and helps everyone to do their best and achieve the goals effectively. Key points of leadership is leader provides the vision, direction, motivates and encourages the people. Also, leader takes the responsibility and solve the problems and helps to the team grow and succeed. The real life example of leadership is the class teacher organizing a school event. They plan the program, assign tasks to the students, and help them when needed, and encourage them, and make sure everything goes smoothly. The This is leadership. The class teacher is leading the whole event. Next is importance of leadership. Improves teamwork and collaboration, enhance productivity and performance, helps in decision making, and build trust and motivation among the members. Importance of leadership means leadership is the important because it helps an individual, team, or organization move in the right direction and achieve the goals successfully. Good leadership improves performance, create motivations, and ensures the growth. First is improve the teamwork and collaboration. A good leader promotes cooperation, communication, and trust within the team, and this helps everyone to work smoothly and together. Next one is enhances productivity and performance. Leadership ensures that tasks are organized, responsibilities are clear, and work is completed on time. Next is help in decision making. Leader makes decisions during challenges, conflicts, and new opportunities. Their decisions guide the team and reduces the confusion. Next is build the trust and motivation among the members. Uh, Next is characteristics of good leader: good communication skill, confidence and integrity, decision making ability, empathy and emotional intelligence, and vision and tragic thinking. First, we see good communication skill. In good communication skill, a good leader communicates clearly and effectively. They shares ideas and gives instructions and listen to others. Clear communication helps avoid misunderstanding and build strong teamwork. Next is confidence and integrity. A leader must be confident in their decision and action. Integrity means being honest and fair and ethical. People trust and follow leader who are confident and who keep their words. Next is decision making ability. Leaders often faces challenge where quick and correct decisions are needed. A good leader evaluate options, consider risk, and choose the best solution for the teamwork. Next is empathy and emotional intelligence. Empathy means understanding others' feelings, need, and problems. Emotional intelligence helps a leader remain calm, handle the stress, and manage relationship with care. Next is vision and strategic thinking. A good leader has a clear vision of the future, and they plan the strategically and set the goals and create the roadmap to achieve the success. Next one is styles of leadership. First one is autocratic leadership. Next one is democratic leadership. Third one is transformational leadership, and fourth one is transactional leadership. First we see autocratic leadership. In this, the leader makes all decisions alone. The team members have very little input, and the leader expect the strict and discipline and quick result. The real life example of autocratic leadership is military commander. In the army, commander gives clear order to the soldiers and must follow immediately without discussion of safety and discipline. Next one is democratic leadership. In this, the leader includes team members in decision making and takes the everyone's opinions are valued. Example is school project group leader, uh, or a tech company, for example Google manager ask employees for suggestions of new features, allowing creativity and participation. Third one is transformational leadership. Transformational leaders inspires and motivates people to achieve more than expected. They focus on vision they focuses on vision, innovation, and change. Real example is Elon Musk encourages employees to push the boundaries in technologies and innovation. And last one is transactional leadership. Transactional leadership uses rewards and punishment to manage their teams. They set clear tasks and people must follow them to get the rewards. And the real example is sales manager or call center supervisor. Next is conclusion. Leadership is essential for guiding individuals and teams. Effective leaders inspires, motivate, and brings positive change. And the good leadership improves performance and build the strong relationships.